Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a top-tech jump starter. First, let's cover the essentials. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and in park or neutral. Before connecting, confirm your jump starter has at least 75% charge, ensuring it has enough power for a successful start. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe jump. Now, let's connect the jump starter to your vehicle. Find your car battery and identify the positive and negative terminals. Take the red clamp from your jump starter and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead battery. Next, connect the black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal surface on your engine block, away from the battery itself. Ensure both connections are firm and stable before proceeding to the next step. With everything connected, it's time to start your engine. Power on your jump starter according to its instructions. Then, try to start your vehicle. Crank the engine for a maximum of 5 seconds. If it doesn't start immediately, wait for about 1 minute before attempting again. This allows the jump starter to cool down and recharge slightly. Remember, do not try more than 3 times to avoid damaging your starter motor. Congratulations, your car is running. Now, carefully disconnect the jump starter. First, remove the black negative clamp from the engine block. Then, detach the red positive clamp from your car battery. Let your vehicle run for at least 15 to 20 minutes to allow its alternator to recharge the battery. Finally, remember to fully recharge your jump starter so it's prepared for any future unexpected situations. Stay safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.